Hi, I'm Scott with Window Cleaning Warehouse, and today we're going to take a look at the Phantom pole and some of the accessories you can pick up with a Phantom pole. So first of all, this is the high mod Phantom pole, which is the lightest and the most rigid. We've also got the hybrid and the carbon fiber available in this particular range. And the thing I wanted to mainly point out, the Phantom clamp has a few features that sets it apart from other poles. The main one that I wanted to bring out today was this red TPU sleeve. Now the material TPU acts as a buffer between the clamp body and the section of the pole, which is carbon fiber or hybrid. And what it does is it protects both, taking up a lot of the wear and tear. Now these are replaceable. You can buy these individually, or you can buy the clamps as a whole to swap them over. And doing so allows you to really prolong the carbon in the pole, which is the expensive part, stopping it from taking the brunt of the wear and tear, but also allowing you to have a really good grip. It's the same material that you find in skateboard wheels, which is really resistant to wear, really good grip, and it deals with wet fine as well. So that's the main thing that really separates this clamp apart. Now, I have in front of me a few of the accessories you can pick up with a pole, and the standard insert that comes with the pole is here. This just has a Euro screw thread, and this will normally just slide into the top, and you can use any of the traditional angle adapter style tools that screw on and just allow you to connect your brush up as we do with other poles in our range, such as the Phoenix pole or the Unger N-Light poles. But designed specifically for this pole is this Phantom angle adapter. Now what this has, you'll notice just on the insert here, these splines hold it in place within the top clamp. So once you've got that fitted in, it's not going to go anywhere. I'm going to spin that round. So that's locked perfectly in place, allows it to stay completely aligned at all times. And then you have this parachute clip here, which when connected up means that the brush also stays completely aligned at all times. So there's no room for it to rotate or move. And this is a quick release angle adapter, so you just use this lever to change the angle you clean at just by opening and closing, so it's pretty simple to use. You can swap your brushes out quickly just by squeezing the parachute clip, which means if you have a few brushes for a few different purposes, you can swap those out without having to worry about taking too much time. And again, you can remove that to swap it for other items just by pulling that out using the top clamp. One of the common tools we see used with the Phantom pole, both with the Phantom precision angle adapter and the standard Euro thread adapter here, is the bronze wool adapter. What this allows you to do is get stubborn stains off glass, plastics, UPVCs without scratching or causing any damage. This is really useful stuff. Now this adapter can quickly be applied, like I said, to both adapters just by removing the lever. And you'll see this cog here fits nicely on the inside. Now you may find that the bolt is a little bit short. Don't worry, when you buy this bronze wool adapter you do get a longer one in the kit, so that'll slide through and allow you to hold the whole thing in place. Okay, so once you've got the bronze wool adapter on, that effectively gives you a multi-tool. You can just clamp the lever underneath and clip into your standard brush. And there you have it, that's good, it's good to go. So on one side you have your standard window cleaning brush, on the other side the bronze wool multi-tool. And then the adapter just slides back into the top clamp. And you're good to go. So that was just a quick introduction to the Phantom pole and some of the common tools we use with it. You'll find more information via our website.